About the CP910 and CP920 sound processors. Your Cochlear Nucleus 6 CP910 or CP920 sound processor works with your cochlear implant to transfer sound to the auditory nerve. Your processor is made up of a processing unit, earhook, coil, coil cable, and a battery module. You can choose either the CP910 or CP920 processing unit. The CP920 processing unit has no accessory socket and is smaller than the CP910 processing unit. Both sound processors operate in the same way, except the CP910 sound processor can work with the Cochlear Nucleus range of accessories. You can control your sound processor as a standalone device by pressing buttons on the processor. You can also choose a Cochlear Nucleus CR210 remote control or CR230 remote assistant to control your processor.